Hi there, so today I'm going to show you how to pick up and knit along the edge of Stockinette. Let's get going. So let's just have a look at the edge of Stockinette. We're not going to use the absolute outer edge, that's the selvage. What we're going to aim to work in is this row of stitches here. And we're going to pick up and knit in between these stitches. So if I just have a look in between the stitches, there's a bar on every one. Can you see? And this is where I'm going to be picking up and knitting. So typically you won't pick up every stitch. You will pick up maybe 2 out of 3 or 3 out of 4, but you follow your pattern. Your pattern will tell you exactly what you should be doing at this stage, but I will show you how you just miss one of these. So yeah, let's get going. Here we go. So we're going to find our first stitch that we're going to be working through, which is this one here. So we put our needle through and we take our working yarn. Here's mine. I'm using a contrasting colour just so it makes it easier for you to see. So just pop your yarn through, yarn round, and just pull it through that first stitch. It's a bit like crochet. And then we're going to find the bar in the second stitch. Just pop your needle in between the stitch and it's quite easy to find. And just pop the tail of the yarn away. You can hold it in your fingers, that's no problem. And just wrap it round. There we go. And that's your second stitch picked up. Then let's find the next one, which is there. Wrap your yarn round and just pick up that next stitch. And then find the next one. Just, there we go, wrap the yarn round and there we go. So you can see that I've picked up 4 stitches now. Okay, so it may say pick up 4 out of 5 stitches, or it may give you an exact amount to be working from, but just as I say, follow the pattern. So if you now need to miss one, just go ahead and miss one of the loops. So I'm going to miss that next loop that's just sat there, and I'm going to work into the one that's above that. And then I'm just going to find the final stitch on this one, which I believe is there. There we go. And I'm just going to pull that through. Okay, so then I'm just going to continue knitting to the pattern. So I'm going to pretend my pattern is now to purl a row. And I'm going to then knit the following row. I'm going to do a few rows of stockinette just so you can get a feeling for what it looks like. But hey, you don't have to watch all of that. So let me just fast forward for you and I'll be back with you in a sec. So there we go. If you like this video, please do follow us. We try really hard to create amazing content, and I look forward to seeing you again.